Hey guys, I'm Tara Bryce with Anderson School District 2, Director of Student Services. We're out here today at Farm Day at BHP. So we're going to interview some of our awesome students. So come along and join us.
Hi, I'm Nathan Coker.
I'm Jack Kelly.
We're running the sawmill over here today. Mr. Woody taught us how to use this thing. We're going to get this wood, we're going to dry it, use it in class for other projects, stuff we use.
It costs about $7,500. You can get it. Where did he say you get it at?
I don't know where he should get it.
Yeah, he didn't say where he got it at, but it's pretty cool. We're going to use them in Mr. Woody's class. We're going to learn how to build something out of it. And take the big old bandsaw and cuts it down the middle of it. Make your boards like that.
You can cut them by however big you want. You can go anywhere from 2x10s, 2x6s, 4x4s, anything you want.
We started BHP, FFA started their farm day back in 1994. So this is the 28th year. And we started off with just high school kids, and then we started bringing to elementary and preschool, and it's grown every year to what it is now.
We started off doing ag with G in 8th grade, and we just loved being with him. We miss him a lot. We love just him putting us to work, and now we get to do ag here at the high school. It's a lot of fun too.
In our ag, it offers a bunch of different ag
Careers?
There's different like animal science, horticulture, ag mech, and all kinds of different stuff.
And what do you want to do when you graduate?
And when I graduate, I would like to go into animal science and study animals.
And I'm not sure what I'm going to do when I graduate or get retired or grow up.
Hey, I'm Leela Bowen. I'm a senior here at BHP. It's farm day today. I brought all these ducks for the duck slide. After high school, I plan to go to Clemson University and major in agricultural education. It's really cold out here right now, so they're under this heat lamp getting all warm. And here we go.
I'm Chandler Wood, and my mom teaches here at BHP, and Mr. Latimer asked us to bring my pig Wilbur here, and I'm studying vet tech at Tri-County Tech, and he's covered up because it's freezing cold out here.
My name's Emma Sweeney. I'm out here with my horse named Cash. I'm letting Connie and kids around, letting them ride him, and I'm in ag science, and for my future, I want to be a vet. Okay, this is Lola. She's our hairless sheep. We got her here at Farm Day today, bringing in little kids so you can come pet her. She's a hairless sheep, so she'll get all of her wool in the wintertime, and then it'll shed off by itself in the springtime. And I have 2 lambs, or this is a lamb, then we have a ewe. His name is Milo. I didn't bring him today, but we done bathed her, got her all got it all fixed up for today for the kids.
What classes do you take?
I take agricultural science with Mr. Wilson here at BHP, and I do a lot of stuff around here. I do the bunnies and then take care of the goats. And
Thank you so much.